India.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very taste. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and in-laws. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone, lies my happiness.